Hello, Charmaine, are you there?
Yeah,
I don't know why your camera is not functioning this time around.
yeah, I'm not sure also.
Okay, it's all right. It's all right. It's okay. Just share your screen. Go to your email, and we will start from there. Okay.
I think it was this one.
Look at
Oh,
the. Okay, we can talk about. Okay, wait. Go to your timetable for your exam. Yep. Let's take a look at it.
this one, yeah.
Yep. Okay, if you look at it, right, foundation math is on October 2nd.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So right now is July. So we have 3 months to prepare. Okay. So
Yeah.
okay, I would like to ask you for the syllabus. You know what's the meaning of syllabus for your this exam?
Oh, yeah. Um, it consists of fractions.
Okay, wait. Okay, of course you don't have to tell me. So do you have that list? You know, you are supposed to have a page that shows, oh, this is the syllabus for this exam.
Actually, my teacher already told me that all the 6A topics for foundation math is tested.
Can you show me that?
Okay. Yeah. Let me go get that. I just send it to you in WhatsApp.
Oh, okay. Look, then you can also go to your WhatsApp web. The next tab, just click on it and show me.
Yeah, wait. I need to send it first. Let me think.
Okay.
There's one more topic.
Yep. Go ahead. Good. That's all.
No, there's one more one.
You have sent two photos already.
Yeah, there's one more. Yeah, okay.
Okay, just click on the first one. Okay. Zoom in. Yes. Okay. Stop. Okay. First chapter is fractions, right? And then second one is decimals. So you need to know how to do multiplication and division. So is this your textbook?
This is my workbook.
Okay, workbook. Okay, so can you see, right, in your workbook you actually have like, can you see like word problems? You have like page 15 over there, word problems, activity 5 and 6 and all this. So basically your workbook, right, is a very good book for you to do extra work. If you are telling me you have finished the assignment from me, you can actually move on to do all this work. Have you finished all this?
Actually, when I got this, because I told you I just joined foundation math, right? And during quarantine, the teacher had to teach us fraction, multiplication, percentage first.
No,
So
I'm
he
asking
gave.
you. have you finished the word problems from this book?
Yeah, we finished that.
You finished?
Yeah, cause we go through together as one class, but he usually calls to do ourselves, then he'll go through.
So you have finished most of them?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, good. So never
But I
mind.
have extra copies for fraction, decimals, and percentage.
Okay, so yeah, move to the next photo. So fraction and decimal.
Yeah.
You just right. You can use the right arrow. Then you. Okay, next is percentage and average. All right. So next. And over here is area of triangle. All right.
Yeah.
And is that all? I thought you have some. This is your 6A, right? I thought you have some more topics regarding the graphs and
graph is
angles of triangles.
That one was actually a test for us to see, because that one will be in our 6B.
Yes.
Because 6B won't
6B?
be tested in PSLE.
Wait, you are saying you will only be tested from these 3 photos?
Yeah.
So your foundation math on October 2nd will only test you 5 chapters, and they are in your these 3 photos.
Oh, they will also test graphs, but it's not counted in this work.
Oh, then where the graphs? Where's the graph in which book? Then?
Our teacher just told us that graphs, like those type of graphs, will be tested, but it wasn't stated here.
Okay, then what about the angles? Like you are asked to find the angle 1. So what about those? Remember last week?
My teacher said like measuring angles.
Not measuring. It's like they give you a isosceles triangle and they ask you what's the value of angle 1? Or the alternate angle, internal angle, and all those corresponding angles, remember? Opposite angle.
Yeah.
Yeah. Are those tested?
The one my teacher never stated, but I will ask him.
Okay. So I want to know the answer before our next lesson. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Okay. So good. So let's look at your work first. Okay. Now we are very clear about what you tested. So now move to your second email on the work, that the one you draw the graph.
Okay, this is not the one.
You should go up.
This is also not the one. Yes, this one.
Okay, good. No. I want to see the question. This is your answer. I want to see the question.
Question. I need to find the question first. Okay. Is this the one? No, this one's not the
one. You look at the date, right? You can just look at the date. So today's date is what? Today's date is 12. So you send me what? Oh, okay. You go to inbox. All right. You just click on the first. I say good work. Yeah. Not this one. So that means the next one. So close this. Go to the next email. Yes.
No.
Hey, wait. I say next email, right? You go to the third one already. Yes. Good. So, okay, let me look at this. So what do you have? You have tuition fees, right? The first graph.
Mm-hmm.
So you have Jan to July. Can you see?
Yeah.
And the tuition fees is, so for January is how much is the tuition fee for January? If we look at it from the graph.
50.
Very good. Then what about May?
May is 55.
Very good. What about July?
July is 70.
All right. So okay. By the way, do you notice that your July, the value for July is quite unclear here? You notice that?
Yeah, because when I put the black and white, yeah, it like cut it off.
I thought if you make it black and white, and if the number is not clear, so what you need to do?
Yeah.
So what you need to do?
It's just like sometimes like cut it off or something.
No, what I'm saying is like if next time if you want to take a picture, if it's black and white and the number doesn't seem clear enough, so you should just retake it, right?
Yeah.
Retake it and send me a clear one.
Okay.
Make sense?
Yeah.
All right, good. Next, move to the next graph. Allowance, right? Is that the name, allowance?
Yeah, allowances.
Okay, good. So can you tell me what's the value for June allowance?
June?
Yeah.
35.
Okay, very good.
March 40.
Okay, I just want to comment on just the April one. Can you point your mouse to April? Can you see that your dot, not the bar, I'm talking about not the column, but the dot. I mean the dot on the graph, or the dot on the bar. Can you move your cursor there? Yeah. Can you see that your dot is not inside the line, but above the line? Can you see that?
Yeah.
Yeah. So what you're supposed to do? The dot should be on the line or above the line or below the line. You know what's my question?
Yeah, on top. Yeah.
Yeah. Where is the dot supposed to be? Above?
Like
on?
Above.
Or below?
On.
On, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I think your dot there is slightly above. Am I right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So what you need to do next time?
Put it
on the line, right? Okay, good. Next, move down. Hey, by the way, the way you take picture for the last, you see, the last one is you. By the way, when you take picture, you're supposed to take upright. So what happened to the last picture here? Last. You don't have to move. Yes, the last one. What happened to this last picture?
I was taking the photo and then
you are not supposed to give me excuse. You are supposed to just give me an upright photo. This is not upright. Do you agree with me? This is not upright.
Yeah.
So what you need to do? Retake.
Make it upright next time.
So how to make it upright? Retake, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Retake. Do whatever to it. Make it upright, and then send me. Okay. I don't accept. Especially the last one is way too slanted for anybody to read. Okay. Okay. What is the value for April?
65.
Okay. What is this graph about? So the first graph is about tuition fees, and then the second graph is about allowance. What this graph is about?
This is total.
Total. Okay, good. So next time, right, your total. I cannot read your total on the vertical axis. Your this vertical axis, right? Your this total, right? Yeah. It looks very unclear to me. That's why I asked you what this is all about. Okay, how do you get the total, by the way? Hello, how do you get all this value for the total?
You need to add together.
Add what?
You need to add the tuition fees and the savings.
Savings? The second one is savings?
Allowance and tuition fees.
Yeah. Okay, good. Okay. You need to be clear, okay? You are given allowance, you are not given the savings, okay? So you don't just anyhow. So you must read and answer the question. All right. Okay. Very good. So you have done a very good job for this round. But of course, the pictures you have taken, they are not good enough. Okay, they are slanted either to the right or to the left. So next time round, please send in the best work. Just send it once. Okay. Now move on to the work for composite figures. You need to redo for the parameter and the area. Okay, move to that. I think it's the second one. First or second?
Oh wait, this is not.
No, don't go to send. Go to inbox. Go to inbox. I think it's the second one.
Yeah, this one.
Nice. Okay. First thing first. Let's look at your first figure. So, what do you see in the first figures? Can you move your cursor to the first figure? Yeah. First figure. The one, yeah, good. So what do you see in this composite figure? You see 3 triangles, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So which is the first triangle? Point your cursor there. Okay, good. Point the cursor there and stop there. Okay. Can you put the cursor inside your first triangle? Okay, good. Stop there. So can I ask you what is the base and the height for this triangle? Hello.
The base is here.
Very good. What was the base then? Hey, don't move anyhow, okay?
Here.
Where's the base? Point your cursor there. Point your cursor to the base. Which is? What's the value?
2.
Is it 2? I can't read it. Quite unclear. Never mind. Let me read it from my phone now. Don't move. Just read. Just put it there. Let me just go to my email. I read it from my phone because over here is too unclear. Is there a problem with your phone? So unclear. Okay. I don't think it. 2. Okay, the base is 2, and then what is the height? What's the height? What's the value for the height?
3.
Okay, you can stop sharing already. I will share from my side.
Okay.
Can you see my screen?
Yeah, can.
Good. So I'm going to show you the 3 these composite figures assignment. It's loading. All right, so let me search. So the homework. You see, the way I arrange your email, so I can actually just read the, you know, I can read this, then pang, then you should get all of them.
Yeah.
Is this the one? Yeah, this is the one.
Yeah, this is the one.
Okay, look at it here. This one. Do you see the last? Can you see the last one? So let me grab this. Okay, we are supposed to look at this one, right? You see that?
Yeah.
The last one. So
yeah,
what you have done. Let me get this. Let me get this into this PowerPoint, so I can do more stuff with it. Let me just make it smaller. All right. So I just want this part of it. I just want this part. Okay, if you're just looking at this, right? So can you tell me what you have identified, right? Is this is your 1, this is your 2, and then this is your 3. Am I right?
Yeah.
So let's look at the first one first. So if this is my 1, triangle 1, right? So what is the base and what's the height? So your formula is area is equal to half times base times height. So what is the base? What's the base? Hello?
Base is
what's the base?
Base is
here. You should be looking at this.
3.
Very good. The base is 3. 3, right? And what's the height? What's the height?
4.
4. So with this, the base is 3, the height is 4. So the answer is half times 12. That will give me 6 cm square because it's area. So I find the area for this one already. Now, I need to do it for the triangle 2. Okay, for this triangle 2, what is the base? What is the height?
Triangle 2.
Is it too small for you? Can you see?
No, I can see. Triangle 2, the base is 2.
Very good. The base is 2. What's the height?
2.
Yeah, very good. So continue. So half times base, which is 2. Height is also 2. So the answer is 2 cm square. I'm done for triangle 2. Now move on to 3. So what's the base? What's the height for 3?
Base and height for 3.
Huh? Can I ask you what is? Can I ask you one question? Is there any difference between triangle 2 and triangle 3?
No.
No. So if there is no difference, that means they are the same.
It's the same number.
So if they are the same, so what it means for the base and the height?
Half times base times half times 2 times 2.
So it means the base for triangle 3 is, what's the value? 2. And then the height is also 2.
Yeah.
Similarly, the answer is 2 cm squared. Oh, then I can find out the total area. So the total area is, how to find total area?
Total area is,
what operation you use to find total area?
Add.
So you add what? Thank you. Hello. You add what?
Yeah. You need to add all of the.
So add what?
Add 6.
Then?
Plus 2.
Plus
2.
So what do you get? Hey, you are not supposed to use calculator. Come on, this is too simple.
10.
Very good. What is the unit?
cm squared.
This is the way to solve. Okay. You know why you want to look at your work or not? You want to look at your work?
Yeah.
You want to look at your work? Then I show you your work. You really want to look at your work? You want to look at your work? Okay, I show you your work. What have you done right here? Okay. What have you done right here? Nothing. Okay. Nothing. You know why I say you have done nothing right here? You want to compare your work to my work? You want to compare?
Yeah.
Let's do a comparison. Side by side. Hold on. Let me just get this. You want to compare your work, huh? Okay, good. Okay. First thing first, you have written down triangle 1, but without labeling the base and the height. Can you see or not?
Yeah.
So what did you not do? Or what did you do wrong? Yeah, compare. So what did I do right and what did you do not right? Go ahead.
You put the base and the height numbers on the triangle.
So what did you not do? You didn't write down the base, you didn't write down the height. So if you did not write down the base, did not write down the height, how are you going to solve? You can't. Because you need the base and the height to find the area. Right? Second one, compare. So what did you not do right? So the triangle, can you see the triangle you have written down is not the triangle I have given to you.
Yeah.
Can you see or not? The triangle is supposed to look like this way. Okay? It's supposed to look this way. Okay? But you force it to look like this. I don't know why you force it. Can you see or not? This is the one you have written down. Okay? The triangle is given in this manner. Okay? It's given in this manner. Can you see? Circle in green.
Yeah.
And you change the triangle. You change it to this. You change it to this. Okay? This is your work. This is your work. So if you change the triangle, that means you're not doing the question already. Am I right?
Yeah.
Okay. That's why you change the question. So then if you change the question, how are you going to do correctly? Third triangle. You compare. The third triangle is exactly like the second triangle. Okay? And you are supposed to draw the triangle in this manner. And write down the base, which is 2, and write down the height. And what do you write here? Once again, you change the triangle. By the way, you have drawn a isosceles triangle already.
Yeah.
Did the question give you isosceles triangle?
No.
Then, if you change the question, how do you expect yourself to get it correct then? Once again, you change the question and without writing down the base and the height. So that is your mistake. Okay? That's the reason why you get all wrong here. All right? And one more thing. Where's the unit? Where's the unit? Where's the unit? Can you see or not?
Yeah.
Where's your unit? I can't see the unit. Here. All right. So next, parameter. So the parameter, let's look at the parameter. So let me just get rid of this question first. So let's find out the parameter together. Okay, the parameter is highlight, right? So let me start from here. So it's all the way, then come down, and then go here, go down, and done. That's it. So I need to do one by one. So 5 plus 5. Can you see this 5? Circle.
Yeah.
Circle, right? Oh, what is this then? What is this? What's the standard height?
Standard height 10.
10? Here, hey, are you okay? By the way, are you looking at my screen?
Yeah.
Where's the 10? Huh? I'm talking about this one.
The question mark.
Yeah, the question mark. I'm asking you what's the height, what's the length here? So I ask you question mark. You're supposed to give me
2.5.
Yes. Okay, so it's 2.5. So I circle it in order not to miss it. Now I'm here. What is this height?
2.
Yes. So another one, 2.5. That's it. Did I miss anything? No, right?
No.
Okay, so this is 10 plus, so 10 plus 5 plus 2, so add up 17 cm. That's the parameter. What's your work? You want to see your work? Ta-da! Wrong. You know why you are wrong? All these are wrong. Can you see? Can you see all this?
Yeah.
How can this be 1? Can you see all this? How can this be 1? This one. And this is 3. How can this be 3? Okay? You anyhow write. Alright. Next. Let's look at the second question. This is the second question, right?
Yeah.
Let's move on. So now I will leave it to you to find out the total area for me now. So do it on a piece of paper now.
Okay.
Okay, before you do it, can I ask you a question?
Yeah.
Can I ask you a question? So basically you have this triangle, right?
Yeah.
You have this triangle. So here, right? So you have triangle 1. I call it triangle 1. So what's the base?
Yeah.
What's the base for this triangle?
The base.
What's the base?
The base for this is 4.
Very good. Then what's the height?
The height is.
What's the height?
My height is 3.
Yes. Okay. So therefore, okay. Now can I ask you? This is your second triangle. This is your third triangle. This is your fourth triangle. This is your fifth triangle. So what is so special about all these triangles? Or is there anything special about all these triangles? So your triangle 2, your triangle 3, your triangle 4, your triangle 5. What is so special about all these triangles? Or is there anything special about them? Hello, anything special about them?
They are the same, I think.
Yes, they are the same. So that means if you found out triangle 1, basically you have found out 2, you have found out 3, you have found out 4, you have found out 5. Now, can I ask you, what is the yellow one? What's the shape for yellow? Huh? You cannot identify the yellow one? What's this? What's this shape called?
See.
What's the name for this?
The X out that one.
Yep.
That one's a square.
Yes. So this is your shape 6. So it's a square. So can I ask you, what is the side? What's the side here? Because square, we need to know the side, right? So what is the length? What's the value for the side here? So what is this? What's the length here?
The length,
yeah,
of that.
What's the length of the side of the square?
Length of the square.
You just look at this diagram. Any clue for you? Is there any clue?
4.
4. That means you are saying this is 4. You are saying this is 4. Am I right?
Yeah.
Wait. Why 4? I thought 4 is here, right?
Yeah.
This one is 4, right?
Yeah.
Can you see this? This one is 4.
Yeah.
This is 4. So this is 4. So what is this? If this is 4, what is this? The black one.
Yeah.
What's that? What's the black one? This is 4. Then what is this? Can it be 4?
No.
Hello. This is 4, right? And what is this?
Yeah. Then 3.
So if this is 3, if you are saying this is
3.
So that means it should be 3, right? Oh, so that means the side is 3. So that means the side is 3. Okay, with all this, now I pass it to you to find out what is the total area now. Do it on a piece of paper. I have already done all the shape for you here already. Your job is to figure out all the area. Okay, I leave to you. Go. Once you finish, WhatsApp over the solution. All right. Wait. It says the meeting will end in 10 minutes. Upgrade now to remove. Okay, never mind. So once this is end. Okay, if the lesson ends, I will just re-log in again. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So just do it on a piece of paper. I will
I don't need to draw the shape, right?
No need already. I give you all this already, right?
Okay.
But I think it's better for you to quickly draw the shape also lah. Because once you got the shape, right? You got the shape, and then you can have it guides you. You know. You understand my point?
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah.
If you don't draw all this, how there is nothing to guide you along. So you ask me if you need to draw out the shape. My answer is yes, because once you draw all this shape, it guides you along. Without the shape, nothing guides you along. Okay, quickly draw down all these shapes. It's quite easy to draw all these shapes, right? I spent like less than 1 minute. So draw this on a piece of paper, find the total area, and send it over. I'm going to close this window. Have you finished drawing? Or you want to use your phone to take a picture?
I'm almost done drawing. I'm at the second last.
Okay. Because this section is going to end. So I want to make sure.
Yeah, I'm done.
Pardon?
Yeah, I'm done.
You are done with the drawing?
Yeah, I'm done drawing the shape out.
Okay, good. I'm going to close this window because the lesson is going to end. So like I say, I will just relog in. Now I'm going to relog in and you just do your work and you relog in again. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, because this is timing is out. Yeah. Okay, I need to record. Shermaine, why 6 times 6? The 6 is figure 6 over there. Oh, so it's 3 times 3. Okay, then after that add up. So this is 9. Hey, where's your unit? Where's your unit? 46 what? Shermaine, can you correct all your mistakes and resend a good one over?
Okay.
Okay, I'm waiting for you to correct all your mistakes and resend and write down all your units. Hello. Units, all of them. Then this will be 9 cm square. Hello, are you done?
I'm finding a tutorial.
Remember to write down all units. All right.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, I'm looking at it. Dun, 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 dun. Nice. Okay. Wait. You missed one thing. Okay. You look at your last. Where you add up all things. You need to write in front is total area. Then you write equals 6 plus 6 plus 6, and then equals to 39 cm square. Okay. You missed this. Can you write it down now and we send over?
I missed.
You did not write total area in front of all the add up. Understand?
Oh, okay. Let me put total.
Please write that down and we send over. Yeah, good. Okay, so where's your equal sign? 乱来. I got equal sign here. Shermaine, equal sign. Jermaine, what I suggest you to do? Hello, are you there?
Yes.
Cross out, rewrite total area equal 6 plus 6. Rewrite. Cross your whatever, cross your this. Just one line, cross it, and rewrite total area equal.
Yeah.
And we send over. Alama, send it over. Let me see. Okay, now it's good. Now it's much better. Alright, so this is the kind of work I expect from you to find total area. Okay, now your job is to find out what is the parameter. Okay, can you do for the parameter now?
Okay.
This question. So total area done. So now you are supposed to give me parameter.
Okay, let me just open that.
Once you are done, send it over.
Okay.
Are you done? And then send over your work.
I need to write this. Yeah.
You must let me know after you send. 哇，你这个太 blur 看不到。
Oh my.
You need to double check your photo before you send me. Not enough lighting, then just switch on the light.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go through together. There is a small mistake. Okay, are you looking at my screen?
Yes.
Okay, good. So if you are asked to find a parameter, all you need to do is you must highlight the parameter first. So that means if I start from here, so can you see I'm highlighting it? Hello, can you see I'm highlighting it?
Yeah.
Okay, done. So now I need to find out each. Okay, what is this? What's the first one? Let me use the red color. What is this? Question mark. What's that?
Question mark. There is 4.
Wait, you are saying this is 4? This one, eh? You are saying this is 4? Wait. Charmaine.
Yeah.
This one is given, right? 3, 4, 5. So what is this? So, so if this is given 3, 4, 5, that means this one. So now, I ask you to find out what is this. What is this then? Let me get it. Let me get it to other. Let me get it to this another software. You are. I don't know why you can't see it, but anyway, I thought it's pretty obvious. Okay. To do it, what you need to do is you need to. Let me insert the shape first. Okay, this is given as what? 3, 4, 5. Right?
Yeah.
Now, you are asked to find this. 这里. Right? Question mark. Right?
Yes.
So, what you need to do is you turn your this. You turn your this. You turn what? You turn it like this. Can you see? Here? Can you see or not? 可以吧？可以看到吧？
Yeah.
So if you turn it, now I ask, what is this? So what is this? What's the value of this?
3.
Why 3? Why not 4?
Because you turn it.
Yep, so this is 3. So if this is 3, the question mark here is also
3.
yes. So this part done. So I circle. Then this part is what?
this.
5, right?
Which one? Yeah, that's 5.
Then this part?
Oh.
What's this part? How do you do this part? You do it like this, oh? Get this one, turn it around. Turn it around. And then so you are supposed to find what? You are supposed to find this part now. You are supposed to find this part, right?
Yeah.
So what is this? What is this one? Here. What is this? Hello, what's this? Question mark.
Question mark is from
Hey, I moved down from here only.
3.
Yes, I moved down only. You never see, man. Then what is this? What is this?
This is
this entire one.
This whole thing.
This entire one.
9.
Huh? Can you see or you cannot see?
4.
4, right? Because so if this red one is 3, the entire one is 4, then what is this question mark?
The question mark is
The green question mark is what?
the green question mark is 3 also.
What are you talking about? You don't know how to measure, man? The entire one is 4, right? You are saying the entire one is 4. Then the red one is 3. Then what is left?
1.
Yes. The entire one is 4, right? You are saying?
Yeah.
Then if on top is 3, then the below must be 1 what? How can it be 3 if okay, let's say if this is 3. Let's say this is 3. If this is 3, can you tell me what is this one now? If you are telling me this is 3, this is also 3, what is this? What is the blue question mark? Hello.
Blue question mark. That's 4. Oh wait, if there was 3 and there's 3, that would be 6.
Yes. But now it's not 6, right? It's what?
Now currently it will be 4.
Now it's 4. So therefore, if it is 4, then your this green question mark will be what?
Green question mark would be 1.
1. So therefore your this is 1. Now here, what is this? Never mind. Let's restart. This is 3. Circle. This is 5. This is 4. And this is 1. Then what is this now? Hello, can you see or not? This one.
That one is 4.
4. What is this one?
3.
Yes. Then what is this one?
4 again.
Then what is this one?
3.
Then what is this one?
3.
Then what is this one?
4.
So you add up all this circle one. That will give you the parameter. Go ahead, add them up. Write on a piece of paper and send your answer over.
Okay.
Once you send over, let me know. Don't keep quiet.
Yeah?
Once you send it over, let me know. Don't keep quiet.
Okay. Yeah, okay, send it over.
Total parameter equal sign. Where is the total? It's not just parameter, it's total. And then where is your equal sign before your 5? 你可以看一下你的 area. You for the question to find total area, just now you write total area, right? Okay. So similarly, you should write total parameter and then write the equal sign, then continue your 5. Okay, 重来，再写。Write it there, send over the correct answer. 很好, let me see. Very good. Okay, that is what I expect from you. So it should be 5 plus 4. Hold on, I'm checking for you. 1, okay, 4, 3. Okay, very good. Okay, so that means for you to complete this answer, you are supposed to show me what you have sent me. Okay? 可以吗?
Yeah.
You know what I expect from you? Now you know what I expect from you or not?
Yes.
Okay, good. Next. Okay, let's quickly go to the washroom, wash your face. I'll come back 2 minutes. I also need to go to washroom.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll stop sharing first. Let me quickly go and grab my drink plus go to washroom first.
Okay.
Come back. Come back in a while.
Ooh.
Alright. Wait. 3 only.
There's only 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yes, go ahead. Yep. Find out the area of 4 shapes. You know what I expect from you, right? Just now already, you should do like what you did for the previous question. Okay, so find the total area first. Okay, find the total area first. Okay, once you are done, send the solution over.
Must I try to shape out?
Are you asking whether you need to draw the shape out?
Yeah, like the figure.
If you don't draw the shape out, what is guiding you then? If you don't draw the shape out, then what is guiding you?
No, I meant the figure.
You mean this entire one?
Yeah.
No need. And once you do it, you better write down the base and the height, okay? For each. Okay,
Then send to you.
You send already?
No. When I write down the base and the height, I send to you.
No. You should finish until you find out the total area, then you send the entire solution to me.
Oh.
Okay. But you should know what I expect from you. The detailed solution with working. Once you're done, let me know.
Okay.
You're done?
Yeah, I sent it over.
Okay, very good. Let me see. All right, so base height 3A. The base is not, is it 3? Let me see. Yep, the base is 3 and the height is 4. All right, then 6 plus 6. All right, yep, this is what I expected from you. Now, total parameter. Shemaine. Hello?
Yeah.
Yep, so for total area, you have done a good job. can you now use your phone, take a picture of the first, so you don't have to, look at my screen. So take a picture of the first shape, and then you need to find out the total parameter.
Okay, let me take a photo.
Yeah, take a picture first, then figure out the total parameter.
Okay.
All right, good. Total parameter.
Okay, send it to you.
Okay, let me look at it. Total parameter. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, let me see the shape. Okay, so if you were to do this, okay, what you do need to 1, 5, 4. This is what? 5, right?
Yeah.
This is 1. This is 5. This is 4. This is 5. So it should be 1 plus 5, then 4 plus 5, and 1 plus 5. Very good. 对了. Okay, this is the work I expect from you. All right, going forward. Okay. All right. Good.
Yeah.
Okay. Sorry. Okay, let me quickly save this and send this over to you for your homework. Let me write down some more stuff. So you are asked to find out the total area, and you're asked to find the total parameter. Okay, for both. All right. So this will be the homework. This is just one of the homework. So let me send it over to you now. Send email. So it should be okay, good. Homework. All right. Send already. Good. Next. So let's move on to. Okay. Can you go to your the workbook just now? Can you go to the percentage chapter? Can you let me look at the? Can you look at let me go to your okay, percentage. Can you go to the activity 7, page 79? Can you take a picture of that?
Okay. Activity 7, page.
Page 79. Just take that page 79 only.
Okay.
Once you are done, let me know.
Okay, send it to you.
All right. Okay. Wow, a bit blurry. I think you shake your hand. Can you take another one? A bit blur. For okay, the numbers are not blur, but the question is quite blur. Can you take one more? Make sure you don't shake your hand when yeah.
I sent you another one.
Okay, let me see. Yep, this one is much better. Okay, let's look at the. Okay, can you share your screen? Go to your WhatsApp and we can look at this together.
You're sharing your screen, I can't.
Oh, okay. Let me stop share. Okay. Yep. Your turn to share.
What do you want me to do?
Go to the WhatsApp. The latest picture.
This?
The picture that you just sent me about
Yeah.
Have you shared already?
Yeah, I shared already.
Okay, let me see. Hold on. Okay, good. if you look at the first one, it says what? Simon bought an airline ticket, right?
Yeah.
To Beijing, and the GST of 7% was not included in the price. So what was the total price of Simin had to pay? So if you look at the picture there, right, it says happy tour, and to Beijing is what's the value there? 650, is it? You can actually look at your book, what? If it's too unclear.
850.
850. Okay, so can I ask you, they asked what was the total price Simin had to pay? Okay, can you let me understand why you did it, why you times 7% and then times 7% and then after that you plus? Why are you doing that? Can you explain to me what you are doing there?
I'm adding the 7%.
No, why you times first?
I times because they ask for because they include GST. So I times the 7% inside.
So you times 7%. What this actually give you if you times 7%? You times 7%.
Times 7%, it will be included in the GST. That means the answer will be the GST amount.
Correct. Okay. You times 7%, you will get the GST amount. So once you get the GST amount, which is like 59 point something, right?
Yeah.
Then can you tell me why you add with the price?
I add it because the answer 59.5 is just the GST amount.
Then?
Because it's just the GST amount, you want the total price Sam had to pay.
Okay, so what does that mean? You add the GST amount to the original price. So you will get the total price, right?
Yeah.
So that means the total price is actually equal to what add with what?
850.
Okay, and then?
Plus 59.50.
Very good. And once again, you miss what?
Yeah, by dollar sign.
So that means you miss what?
The dollar sign.
Dollar sign is called the what? The dollar sign is called what? The dollar sign is a unit. You always miss the unit. You miss the unit just now for total area. You miss the unit for area, and you miss the dollar sign here. So what it shows? You always miss the unit. So why you always miss the unit? Why? Why you always miss the unit? When are you going to remember to include unit? Whether it's dollars or area or total area or parameter. When are you going to remember to include the unit? When? Hello. When are you remember that?
I said no.
Oh, very good. From now onwards, you need to remember that. Okay, Ma?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Let's look at your second question. Yeah, look at explain to me what the second question is all about.
The second question is about the total cost of the television after 7% of GST added.
Okay. So what do you do first? What do you do first? Huh? You just look at your working and then tell me why you times 7%.
I times 7% to get the 7% GST amount.
Then where is the unit? 你的 unit 在哪里？ I only see what 69.3. I never see unit.
I never put unit.
Yeah. So what is your second step? What is the second step?
Step is adding.
All right. So add, and then where's the unit?
And then put the unit.
Yeah. Where's the unit? Okay, good. Next, question 3. Question 3. What's wrong with question 3? Hello, what's wrong with question 3?
Question 3. Nothing is wrong.
Then 为什么 then 我没有看到 I mean 我 Okay, tell me what you do for the first step.
It's like I use 1200 times 15%.
So over here they talk about what? They talk about discount, right?
Yeah.
So what is discount? What's the meaning of discount?
Discount, that means a cheaper price.
Well, I mean discount means yep, you are getting it at a cheaper price. All right. Okay. Okay. Can I share my screen? Can I share my screen now? Yep.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Stop sharing.
Good. Can you see what I'm sharing now? A blank page.
You're showing a what?
Blank page.
Yeah.
Okay. What do you buy recently?
Whiteboard.
You bought a whiteboard?
No.
Then what do you buy recently?
Recently. Green tea.
什么?
Green tea.
Green tea?
Yeah.
A t-shirt or the drink?
Yeah, the drink.
Okay, the drink. So a packet or what? Like, you bought a packet or what?
The bottle.
Huh?
The bottle.
Okay. 1 bottle of green tea. How much?
120.
Wow, 120. 1 bottle cost. So okay, can I ask, this 120, for this 1 bottle is total price or cost?
Is the cost.
The cost, man. So if you say it's the cost, then that means this 120 is already include the GST or not include? Include, right? So exclude. So 120 includes what? Includes the GST already.
Yeah.
Includes the GST already. All right. So can I ask? So that means your 120 is the total price or cost? If 120 already includes the GST, so your 120 is the total price or cost?
I think it's the cost now.
What did we say just now? You look at your first question. The first question is what? Simi bought an airline ticket, 7% was not included. What was the total price? So total price is equal to 什么? So total price is equal to 什么 plus GST? 什么? Hello, can you fill up the blank here? Total price is equal to what plus GST?
Cost.
Yes. So if you agree with me, total price is equal to cost plus GST. Then can I ask you, 120 here is the total price or cost?
Not.
Huh?
Not.
No, 120 here is the total price or cost?
Cost.
Still cost.
Oh, total.
That means you are saying 120 I need to plus GST.
No.
So 120 is the total price or cost?
Cost.
为什么啊？wait.
Total price. Total price.
Okay, so 120 is the total. Why you say is the total price? Why? Why 120 is the total price? Because?
I say because haven't add include the GST.
Correct. So the total price always what?
Includes the GST.
Okay. So when you never include the GST, what is that value? That's the cost.
Yeah.
So whenever it includes the GST, it's called the, what's the name?
Total.
Total what? Total area. Is it total area?
Total price.
Or total price. So when it excludes the GST, so total price is always include GST.
Yeah.
So when it's exclude GST, so what is that called?
Exclude GST is called
What's the name?
total price.
Total price is exclude GST.
Oh wait, no.
So exclude GST is called, what's the name for it?
Exclude GST is called cost.
Yes. Can you repeat these two statements now? Go.
Include GST is total price.
Yes. Continue.
Exclude GST is cost.
Repeat one more time. Hey, repeat one more time.
Exclude GST is cost.
Okay.
Include GST is total price.
Very good. Now, so your 120 green tea is total or cost? Hello, your 120 is total or cost?
120 is cost.
Cost. The drink is cost. Hello. Your 120 is cost. Charmaine, I'm asking you, your 120 is the cost.
Yes.
Does it include the GST or exclude the GST?
Exclude.
Huh? Your 120 exclude the GST?
Wait, include the GST.
Include or is included already or excluded?
Included.
So if it's included, you are telling me it's called the cost.
It's total price.
Oh, okay. So 120 is what? Your 120 is what?
That is total price.
Once again, your 120 is
Total price.
why? 为什么? Hello, answer me. Why is it called the total price?
Because
Hey, you want me to ask you to repeat that statement 10 times?
Because it's excluded. It's included with the GST.
Never mind. Repeat these two statements a few times until I ask you to stop. Go.
Total price include GST. Cost exclude GST.
Until I say stop.
the total price include GST, the cost exclude the GST.
One more time. Go.
The total price include the GST. The cost exclude the GST.
Okay, good. Now, 120 is, what's the name for what your 120? What's the name for 120?
Total price.
Why?
Because total price include GST.
Nice. So now 120 is the the total price now, right? Can you see the total price? So that means inside here, there is a cost. If you split, then there is a GST, right? Inside this 120, am I right?
Yeah.
So you split, okay? So GST is how many percent?
GST is
how many percent in Singapore? Huh?
7%.
7%. All right. So 7% is the GST, right? In Singapore.
Yeah.
By the way, we are talking about Singapore. Huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Then cost is how many percent? The cost is always how many percent?
Cost is always.
You always start with what? You always start with how many percent?
100%.
Correct. The GST is 7%, but for the cost, you always start with 100%. 对吗?
Yeah.
So now, can you start to see your 120 is actually your cost, which is 100%, plus the GST 7%. So what is the total percentage now? So your this 120 is actually, what is the total percentage? Hello. What's the total percentage here? You can look at the diagram. How do you find total?
100 is 100. 1.2.
No, I'm asking you, what is the total percentage now?
I don't think that. Percentage now.
How do you find total? How do you find total percentage? How do you find total percentage? What's the operation? Hello, how do you find total percentage? What's the operation? Shermaine, are you there? Shermaine, are you there? Asking you, how do you find total? Hey, normally, how do you find total? What are you waiting for? What's the operation to find total? Plus, minus, times, divide. Shermaine, are you there? Are you listening or not?
Is it 30?
No, I'm asking you, what is the operation to find total? You are not answering my question. I'm not asking you for the value. I'm asking you how do you find total? How? I'm not what. How do you find total? What operation? Charmaine, can you answer me? How many operation you learn? Charmaine, are you there? Hey, hello. Charmaine, 你在吗？ Hello, Charmaine, are you there? You're not responding. I asked you like simple question. Are you there? Hey, Charmaine, are you there or not? 喂，在吗？Charmaine. Yeah, I'm talking. Are you there? Can you hear or not? Hello, can you hear me?
Hi.
Hello?
Okay.
Hello?
Yeah. I'm clear.
Good. All right. So,
Okay.
Good. Yep. So that's it. Okay.
Okay. Bye.
奇怪啊。